Hi, my name is John Ball. I'm an application engineer for EXAIR. In this video, I'll be going through the Vac-u-Gun system and the deep hole Vac-u-Gun system. The Vac-u-Gun system comes in three different packages. We have the collection system, the transfer system, and the all-purpose system. The generator inside the Vac-u-Gun can be reversed to either blow air or to also vacuum. So the all-purpose system will have all the components that is for the collection system and also for the transfer system. The deep hole Vac-u-Gun has an all-purpose system as well, and it will include a hose and a filter bag. See, for this system it only uses the vacuum side. Now let's look at the items in the model 6392 all-purpose Vac-u-Gun system. Here we have the Vac-u-Gun model 6392 all-purpose system. This will include the collection as well as the transfer system all in one. So I'm going to open it up and see all the components that are inside. Now that I have the box open, here are the components that are inside this system. We have the 1.25" transfer hose or conveyance hose. And we do have the ends plugged with some paper. You go ahead and remove those. We have some extension wands, two of them, and one of them has the clamp for the filter bag. Speaking of the filter bag, we have one filter bag. We have some of the vacuum accessories. We have the skimmer tool. We have the crevice tool, as well as the brush. We do have a adapter to go under the end of the Vac-u-Gun, and then of course we have the vacuum gun itself. So depending on which way you have the generator, so it can either blow or suck, you can hook up the attachments the way you like. In order to hook up the vacuum tools, you need to use the adapter. You can use one or two of these depending on the reach, and then you can add on the tool accessory you wish to use. This is, like I say, if you need to use it as a vacuum, this is where the bag will go on to the end. Like this. And then make sure you have your clamp in order to hold it in place. Or if you need to transfer, you can attach the 1.25" hose to the end to transfer the material.